My name is Dan Smith. I'm the supervising attorney over at San Diego Defenders. You can find us at san-diego-defenders.com or call us at 619-258-8888. Today I'd like to talk to you about if your vehicle gets seized and the election of proceedings forms that come with a CAFRA type of asset forfeiture. So once you get your vehicle seized, it takes about 30 days for the customs to get a letter that's called a notice of seizure. It looks like this, the notice of seizure letter over to you that gives you the important information, the date, the claim number, and of course your options as to the election of proceedings. Now your date's important because you have to file within 30 to 35 days. We're trying to keep the cost down with everything that we're doing and getting your vehicle back, and we've been very successful in getting vehicles back to people for 30 years. Okay, so it's our job to get your vehicle back to you as quickly as we possibly can and let you know if we have a good chance of doing that, okay, at an affordable rate. The towage fees, by the way, the tow fees and the storage fees are much less than in a typical DUI or something like that, so don't get freaked out about that. It's actually quite reasonable. Okay, so let's just move on very quickly to what is it that you get. You get the notice of seizure letter. It's on a CAFRA form that just stands for Customs Asset Forfeiture Reform Act, which they made the rules a little fairer and tried to get your property back. And then, of course, we talked about the date, we talked about the case number. The election of proceedings is something that's very important that we'll talk to you about. The first three, the petition, which we recommend in many, many cases, is an administrative procedure, as is the offering, compromise, and the abandonment. All three of these, if we file any of those, it goes up to the Customs and Border Patrol Asset Forfeiture Department, okay, sort of the abyss. If we file a very well-crafted and well-drawn petition, we stand a very good chance of getting your property back right away. But the clock is ticking, and if it's a case where we think that a claim's going to be more effective, we're going to let you know. What's the advantage of filing a claim? If you can see that down here, a claim is actually when the case goes to the U.S. Attorney's Office, and it allows us to talk to a U.S. Attorney or Assistant U.S. Attorney directly. Now, I've been doing this for 30 years. I know a lot of people down there. It helps to talk one-on-one to another attorney. I don't have that option over at the Customs and Border Patrol. They're fine people, real busy. They seize $2.6 billion worth of assets a year, so it's a different administrative sort of machine that's going on over there versus the U.S. Attorney's Office. They have to file a claim within 90 days. Now, something's going to happen way before that. We're going to have a chance to talk to them about negotiating the case, about settling the case even before they get a complaint filed against the property. And that's really what our goal would be in the case with your property. So give us a call at 619-258-8888. We'll explain all these things. We're 7 miles away from the busiest international border crossing in the world, San Ysidro border crossing, port of entry. And we have gotten back more vehicles than perhaps any other law firm in the nation. So we definitely, I hate to say specialize, but we do a lot of them, and we can help you out. So give us a call. We'll go over all of your options with you, and we'll make sure that we do our best to save you money, okay? Have a good day.